to open is this one, the top one. So here goes nothing. I'm so excited to see what's in this box. So here we go, guys. So these are all the basketballs, all different teams, basketballs. Alright. As you can see, there's a bunch. I gotta check up all of them and see how much it is. So that's the first box, and let's see what's in the second one. Alright, really excited to unbox this one because this one is the biggest one, and I pulled the other one that I pulled before, unboxed before, is the smaller one. So let's see what's in this one. This one is a bigger one, so let's see what's in this one. I hope, you know, more valuable stuff in this one. I'm really excited right now. I don't know what to say. Like, I don't know. Thank you, Bobby. Thank you again, Bobby. Ooh. Wow. Wow. These are some great figures. Oh my god. Oh my god. Me. Hey. So this is Minnie. Yeah, mouse. Oh, this is good. This is some good ass product. And this came straight from Disney. This is a manufacturer of Disney. You can see Disney, as you can see. I know you probably see that already. Oh my god. No stick. So this also is another thing I got. Wow, I don't know what is this, but this got value. I'm telling you, this got value. Wow, these are other basketballs and stuff. Wow. What is this? I don't know what this is, so I'm gonna leave it for now. Wow. Oh, guys, this is like a Holocaust remover. Wow. This got some value. I'm sure of that. This got some value. It's got some value, bro. Let me show you in the box. So this is the box. Couple of basketballs. Oh my god. I'm not gonna touch it yet. Couple of these. So I'm gonna check what's in this box. Oh my god, this is good. These are some good stuff, Bobby. You got here, Bobby. These are some good stuff. Wow. These are some good ass stuff, bro. Let me leave those for that. So we're gonna leave this for last and that box. Wow, some figures, car figures. The greatest thing is that their barcode are all on them, and these are brand new. These are like brand new products. Brand new products. It's so good right now. I feel so good. I feel like I'm getting my money's worth. Oh my god. All brand new, bro. All brand new. Wow. Woo! I got some brand new stuff here, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, this got value on it, bro. This got value on it, bro. This got value on it, bro. Little mommy. I'm telling you, oh my god. For retail, it goes for $50 around that. This is a good value right here, I'm telling you. This is good value. So wow. Look at this. Jenga. Brand new, bro. Don't even pull. No one is used. Like, these are just pulled straight from off the shelf or something. These are brand new as well. Oh my god. Oh my god. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put these up back in the box. Back in the box. Okay. So you OEM, I've done a good job on giving me all these products. These products are brand new, and I love what you guys are doing. Bobby, keep up the good work. I love it. So, Steven, I'm out. And least, I forgot I opened this box. I opened this box, and what I see are some Samsung earbuds. Oh my god, this is so lit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 5 of them. So I'm gonna open this one now. Let's see what's up. Let's see. Anxious, man. Wow. 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 Brand new. Greatest thing, the barcode is there. That's the greatest thing when you're a reseller. When you're a reseller or a seller, online seller, all you want to see is the barcode and all that stuff, bro. So you, OEM, you're doing a good job. You guys just go over and shout my guy Bobby at OEM. He's a very good guy. He's a passionate guy. He really love what he does, and let's give him a link. He's a best guy to talk to in regards to products. He's a man, I'm telling you.